Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this particular video, we'll see how to turn on Wi-Fi in Windows operating system. Okay, so let's get started. Go to the search and here you can type settings. Go to the settings. So once you go to the settings, so here on left you can see the options like home, system, Bluetooth and devices, network and internet personalization and all. Okay, go to the network and internet. Once you go to the network and internet, and here you can see the option called Wi-Fi, connect, merge known networks, metered network. Okay, so next to that, here you can see the arrow symbol. So near to that, here you can see the option called on or off. Okay, suppose if you turn it off, Wi-Fi will be turned off on your system. Okay, so here you can see once I turn off, here you can see the Wi-Fi is disconnected. That means like the system is not connected to the internet. Okay, and suppose if I turn it on, once I turn it on, it will take some time and again it will be connected to the internet. Okay, so here you can see again it's connected back to the internet. Okay, so this is how you can connect and disconnect the Wi-Fi from your system or the laptop in the Windows operating system. Okay, so that's all about this particular video, guys. I hope you like this particular video. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you and all. Thank you. Bye bye.